Pakistan's foray into the world of unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, led to the birth of the Buraq drone. Named after a mythical winged steed from Islamic lore, the Buraq drone is far from a mythical creature. It is a very real testament to Pakistan's burgeoning drone program, a program that is a point of pride and a potent symbol of Pakistan's growing military might. The Buraq program, shrouded in secrecy during its initial development, emerged as a response to the growing use of drones in the region. Facing internal security threats and a complex relationship with its neighbor India, Pakistan's military saw the potential of drones early on. The Buraq, therefore, represents not just a technological achievement, but also a strategic imperative. The Buraq's unveiling was met with a mix of awe and apprehension. Here was a new player in the region's already complex security matrix. The development of the Buraq signaled Pakistan's determination to acquire cutting-edge military technology that, as we will explore, has significant implications for the region's balance of power. The Buraq drone, while not a behemoth like some of its American counterparts, certainly packs a punch. With a wingspan estimated to be around 12 to 15 meters, it's large enough to carry a significant payload, yet it's nimble enough for targeted operations. This makes it a versatile tool in Pakistan's arsenal, capable of both surveillance and strike missions. The exact technical specifications of the Buraq are, unsurprisingly, a closely guarded secret. However, open-source intelligence and expert analysis provide some insights. The drone is believed to have an operational range of several hundred kilometers, allowing it to operate within Pakistan's borders and potentially beyond. The Buraq's endurance is estimated to be in the region of 10 to 12 hours, depending on payload and mission profile. This allows for persistent surveillance over target areas and provides the capability for long-range strikes, a factor that has undoubtedly caught the attention of military planners across the border in India. The Buraq drone is not just about looking intimidating in the sky, it's about what it can do while it's up there. The drone boasts sophisticated surveillance capabilities, including high-resolution cameras and possibly even infrared sensors. This allows it to gather intelligence on targets day and night, providing valuable real-time information to Pakistani forces. But the Buraq is not just an eye in the sky, it also packs a punch. The drone is capable of carrying laser-guided missiles, making it a potent strike platform capable of engaging both static and moving targets with precision. The addition of air-to-ground missiles to Pakistan's drone arsenal significantly increases its offensive capabilities. The combination of surveillance and strike capabilities in a single platform makes the Buraq a force multiplier for Pakistan's military. It allows for a more targeted approach to counterinsurgency operations and provides a potent deterrent against potential adversaries. Section 4. Buraq's shadow strategic implications for India. The emergence of the Buraq drone has cast a long shadow across the border in India. India, with its own burgeoning drone program, recognizes the potential threat posed by this new player in the region. The Buraq's surveillance capabilities raise concerns about potential espionage and intelligence gathering along the Indo-Pakistani border. The Buraq's strike capabilities, particularly its ability to deliver laser-guided munitions, add another layer of complexity to the already tense military equation between the two nations. India is now faced with the challenge of countering a relatively low-cost, high-impact weapon system that can operate with a degree of impunity. The Buraq's presence has undoubtedly spurred India to accelerate its own drone development programs and invest in counter-drone technologies. The drone era has introduced a new dimension to the subcontinent's security calculus. Section 5. India's Counter Playbook. The need for a technological edge. India, never one to be left behind in a technological arms race, has responded to the Buraq challenge with characteristic vigor. The Indian military has been actively developing its own fleet of unmanned aerial vehicles. These range from small surveillance drones to larger weaponized platforms designed to match the capabilities of the Buraq and other similar drones. Beyond developing its own drones, India is also investing heavily in counter-drone technologies. This includes everything from electronic jamming systems to directed energy weapons designed to disable or destroy enemy drones. The goal is to create a multi-layered defense system capable of detecting, tracking, and neutralizing drone threats. The emergence of drone technology has spurred a new arms race in the region. Both India and Pakistan are eager to gain an edge in this rapidly evolving field. Section 6. The Drone Dilemma, a new era of warfare. The Buraq drone is more than just a piece of military hardware. It represents a paradigm shift in warfare. Drones like the Buraq offer a tantalizing blend of affordability, lethality, and deniability. This makes them attractive to nations like Pakistan that may not have the resources to field large conventional air forces. The proliferation of drone technology has also raised a host of ethical and legal questions. The use of unmanned platforms in warfare raises concerns about accountability, collateral damage, and the potential for escalation. These are issues that will continue to be debated as drone technology becomes more sophisticated and more widespread. The Buraq drone is a potent symbol of the complex and rapidly evolving nature of modern warfare. It serves as a stark reminder that the future of conflict will be shaped not only by traditional military might, but also by the innovative use of technology.